Have you guys ever felt that the iron sights on your Nerf gun were just too boring to look through? Well, that's not just your fault, it's everyone's. So I made a site that could spice things up for you. The site I created for you guys, it has a filling circle which you could aim at with a pretty box-like shape and it being pretty sturdy. Let me show you how to build it yourself.
Hello guys, good to see you again. I know that I really haven't uploaded that many videos over the few months. Sorry about that. I just really didn't have any ideas, so I've been on the storyboard or the planning pages for a bunch. I actually made two videos, they're both a flop, so I didn't upload them. So here's my final one, which I actually think might be a hit. This is right here, a sight which you can put on any kind of Nerf gun, which has this right here. You use the wiring right here, and you just hold it up right here. So, I'm going to show you the parts you need, and then we get into
Hey guys, so for this little contraption, you're gonna need 4 of these, which have 13 holes in them. 2 of these building blocks, which have 3 holes in them. 1 of this bendy tube. 2 double-sided connectors. 4 long connectors. 13 normal connectors. Whatever this thing is here, which has like this through here, so it's probably a turbine. Also 4 of these. So
let's get started. You're gonna get 2 of these 13 hole sticks. You're gonna get your double-sided connector, put it 5 holes down from the top, which is gonna be right here. You're gonna put 2 of these normal connectors, 1 down from the top and 1 up from the bottom, like that. You connect your other one, and then you put your other double-sided connector the same place where that is, which will make it look like that. You're gonna connect your tube to it, and then you're gonna grab one of this. You're gonna put 2 normal connectors right here. You're gonna connect it so it's just barely touching it, and then you get one of this. You're gonna put a long connector, one in from the top, and then you get the other one, and you put a long connector through the middle. And then you're gonna get a normal connector and put it at the bottom. So it shall look like this, and I shall connect it. There, I'm gonna connect it to my contraption right here. I'm gonna get the other one then, put 2 normal connectors right here, do the same thing, which will make it look like this, connected. And then you're gonna grab this. You can put it however you want it. I'm gonna put it like this, so this is facing the outside. And you're gonna grab this right here, and you're gonna put 2 normal connectors on the bottom, on the farthest, on both one, with the 5 holes. And when that's done, you are gonna put a long connector in the middle of one side of the one, and then you put the other long connector on the opposite side of the middle one, and then you're gonna put also a regular connector on the opposite side, which is not in the middle, and then you do that the same for the other one. You connect it together. I know. You're gonna grab the 13 holes, and you're gonna put one through here, and then you're gonna put the others so that
So it's gonna look like, it's gonna be looking like this. You connect it, them together, you put it down on here, and you're gonna close it right here. And when that is done, you can grab your Nerf gun, put this through the hole, and put it in. And it's gonna go like that. So see right here, I'm gonna put it through right here, and it's gonna stay like that. And then I'm gonna use some tape, and then I'm just gonna fixate it this side on the ledge or on the Nerf gun, so it will stay there because there's not enough to hold it. So this is all for today. Hopefully this helps you guys, and well, I'll see you in the next one. I'll make sure that will be sooner than last time. And if you like this, subscribe, and if you have any questions, post it in the comments below. And have a good day, everybody. Bye.